Hey everyone, it's Mo, and today it's gonna be kind of a odd video to what I usually do. I usually do car videos, but today I won't say much of a hack, but we're gonna hook up this PC monitor to this Super Nintendo portable thing. Now this PC monitor I found in the trash. It was for free, and you can't beat free. Now the thing is that this PC monitor doesn't have a high definition cable entry. It has the Rgbpc entry. For those who don't know what Rgbpc is, let me show you. I don't know if you can take a look. There's the blue one right here on that side. It's the old style one. So this monitor might be 6 years old, maybe even more. Who knows? So what can we do to make it work? Well, first of all, I found the power cable. Let's make sure that the monitor does work. And excuse the mess, I'm actually in the process of moving. Alright, so as you can see, it works. It says no VGA cable. The display will go in power save mode in 5 minutes. So at least we know the display does work. So what can we do? How can we make this work? I have no idea. Well, actually, kind of do. Let's see this. Time. Okay. So the connection there, it is a female Rgbpc connection. What you could do is pick this up. I picked it up at Walmart. I think it's $10. It's HDMI to VGA adapter. It's also female, so you're going to need a male connector, male, to make this thing work. So let me see if I have one. Okay, it turns out that we do have a cable here, so we're going to connect this cable to the PC monitor and then into our adapter.
What is it?
We have a game. We bought this.
Yeah, you bought that?
Yeah.
Wow, you bought chippies?
No, I didn't buy a chippy. I bought seeds.
What did you buy seeds for? Are you a bird?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Daddy, you never told I know. Daddy, you never told everyone. You don't tell
Okay,
everyone.
so we got that connected. Now let's open this up.
There's a bubble there behind.
Where is it, baby?
It's right there.
Take it out.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Because it's gonna fall down. Hey. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
I think it's a butterfly, baby.
You're not Buzz.
Alright, so now we're going to connect the high definition cable to the Super Nintendo.
You're not
Hopefully
a
it works.
butterfly. Let go to my mommy is up. Daddy. We're gonna play this?
Hopefully, baby.
Hopefully not playing. Here it comes.
Hang on, sweetie, hang on. 1 second.
Is it not working?
Wait,
Wait,
wait for it.
wait for it.
And ta-da! It worked. So there you have it.
Can I?
Oh. And don't do that. Next time you got the best of me.
No, that's the best of me.
No, I got the best of me.
No, that's of me.
you better behave like a good girl.
And you have to behave like a good boy. I have to get a good girl. This is an older than a good girl. Wow, connected.
There we go.
There we go. Ta-da! I want to play the fox. Mario.
There we go. Now all you do is just hook up some speakers and you'll be good to go. Now you can also hook up a DVD player. But like I said, you're going to need to use some speakers. And let me just check the connection.
Let's check the connection.
Yes. So there is a port so you could hook up some speakers to it. I don't believe this does have anything. Let me see. Brightness, just brightness.
I like Mario.
Contrast.
I like Mario.
So this doesn't have any speakers. Just for view. Well, there you have it.
That's for me?
Yes, sweetie.
Yay!
So now, let's hook up this. So this is a wireless controller. I found this at Walmart. It was for 20 bucks. Let's see if it is truly wireless.
From Walmart?
Yeah, babe.
For you?
No, it's for us, sweetie. Everything that's mine is yours.
I'll cut it.
No, I'm gonna cut it.
No, cut it here. Inside. I'll open it.
Yeah, you got the instructions.
Yay! The instructions.
Okay, so it comes with the controller, and I believe this is the wireless receiver.
Uh-huh. This guy.
This is operated by batteries, and it is 2 AAA batteries. So let me look into my battery drawer.
Oh, this.
Yeah, that's the controller, babe.
This. Let's need more pieces. That's interesting. I'm playing with Mario. That's interesting.
Okay. And it works, see?
Whoa.
And it's wireless.
Awesome.
And what is neat about this control is it has this home button. With the original controller, let me see that bit. You have to get up from where you're sitting, go to the device, and hit reset to go back to the main screen and pick up another game. This one, just hit the home button, and it takes you back home, which is very convenient. That way you don't have to be getting up, go and press the button, and making it work. So, where is my favorite game?
That's interesting, Daddy.
Here it is. No, that's not it. Why did you take me to there? Street Fighter.
Yes.
And what's awesome about this controller, that has a turbo button.
Yeah. Can I play?
Yeah, we can play. Let me just show them how to, okay?
What do you say?
I'm going to show everybody how to play the game, okay?
Me?
Well, not play the game, but show how the controller works.
It do work. You see?
Alright, turbo, game start.
Like the TV?
You have to be Ryu. You can't pick no one else. Maybe Vega, but...
Daddy, I don't like this
Alright, now
house.
let's hit the turbo button.
I don't like this house.
Look at that. Oh, that is so
I don't like
badass.
this house. I don't like this house. I don't like this house.
Okay, so I guess it only does turbo for that particular button that you selected. You select it again. That is nothing. Well, I guess I have to read the instructions to probably properly use this. But you get the gist of it. So now you know how to hook up a PC monitor to with a high definition cable to
Yes.
mostly anything. Or just need the adapter from Walmart, the Rgbpc cable
Look, read this.
that you probably find them anywhere, Goodwill, Dollar Tree, well not Dollar Tree, but Family Dollar, or any thrift store, or you might just have them laying around. So everyone have a good night. Enjoy your game.